Hi Internet, I'm Marcel. I'm here for Roarockit Skateboard Company to talk to you guys about one of our products. Now, the school year is coming up and I've been receiving more and more phone calls from teachers and organizers about this specific question. This concerns our multi-pack kits. Now, Roarockit sells a 10 and a 20 multi-pack kit in all of our shapes, all of our pre-cut shapes for teachers and organizers, after school programs, event coordinators, and these are big ticket items. And the question I get most about this is, how much of this will I have to purchase again? If I want to do this next semester, will I have to buy another multi-pack kit? And our answer to that is no. So I'm here today to show you guys all of the parts in the multi-pack kit and tell you what is reusable and what isn't reusable and how can we get more for the non-reusable stuff. So let's get started with what we've got here. We have our mini curriculum. This is a multi-page document that shows a step-by-step for how to laminate your boards in a classroom setting. Also includes a couple of topic suggestions in case you want to find a way to roll this into your curriculum for the year. That's supported by documents and videos on our website and our YouTube channel. Next up on our list is our thin air press bag. This is the Roarockit tap kit, the vinyl vacuum bag that allows all of this to happen in a classroom setting. These are indefinitely reusable if you handle them properly. Being plastic bags, they are prone to things like punctures or tears along the seams, but those are very easy to fix. We've got all kinds of maintenance tips and videos on our website, and these can be kept healthy for a long, long time. With those, we also ship a roll of breather netting for each bag. This is simply a mesh that allows air to be evacuated from the valve. We sell replacements in case you lose them, but you can also chop these up to make more, or just use a piece of clothing to replace it. We've got our glue roller. There's one of these for every board in the multi-pack kit. Now these are semi-consumable, and by that I mean you can store them so that they're reusable in the future. Here at the shop we keep our glue rollers in a freezer bag, making sure that it's airtight and that there isn't much air left in the bag with it. That prevents them from drying out, and you can keep reusing the glue that's there indefinitely as long as you keep it from drying out. Next up, we have our sealing tape roll. Now we consider this a reusable item simply because we ship so much of it in a multi-pack kit. A roll is 50 foot in length, and that should be more than enough to replace and maintain the sealing tape strips on your tap bags. They're also handy for using to plug punctures or to fix the seams on the edges of the bags. And so there should be more than enough for all of that. We've got our plastic hand pumps. These things will always be reusable. You can help yourself out by keeping them clean. On the inside of the pump tube, you can just clean that up. You can wipe, keep it clean of like dust and grime, and it will work great. We have our Surform Scrapers. These are your scraping tools. They'll be used for the edge work, for scraping and shaping your boards. If used properly, these will stay very sharp for a very long time. Finally, for our reusable items is our three-dimensional one-sided foam molds. These are really great. They are what make the whole thing possible. They're also what make this easy to do in a classroom setting. But when we ship these are just styrofoam. So you'll find that maybe if you glue up your board, you place it on top and it dries and you are to remove them, some of the glue spilled out and maybe bound the board to the styrofoam. So when you peel it off, you'll take out a big chunk of the foam, rendering the mold unusable. But you can help yourself out by plasticizing this. A layer of clear packing tape or saran wrap placed on top will prevent the glue from binding to the foam, and you'll be able to reuse these over and over again. So that's it for the reusable stuff, the strictly reusable stuff. Next we have the wood glue. So this is Type-On 3, we retail this. We sell it in 8, 16, 32 ounce bottles as well as a 1 gallon jug. We're also able to figure out how much exactly you'll need, so for any future purchases, we tailor your order specific to your needs. And finally, this leads us to our maple veneer. 7 layers of hard Canadian maple, shaped to the one that you've purchased. This one's a street deck. We also have, this here's a little rocket. These ones are fun. They come with a random color sheet for each set. These will absolutely be consumed when you laminate a board, but it's not a big deal to pick up more. We sell these to teachers and organizers. We sell them individually, and simply reach out to us via phone or email, and we'll help tailor you an order to re-up for your next class. Now, whether you're doing this once a year or once a semester, we're very fast for fulfilling orders and can help you get what you need for your next class. If you have any questions or concerns about what's in this multi-pack, reach out to us. You can reach me by phone or Marcel at Roarockit, email. Check our website, roarockit.com, for more information and to see all of the other multi-pack products. Thanks everyone, I'll see you next time.